Pete here with allorganicmedicalmarijuana.com and the All Organic Medical Marijuana YouTube channel. Great news for New York. Looks like Governor Cuomo, he signed the bill Wednesday, March 31st, to allow recreational marijuana in New York. So any adult over the age of 21 can purchase very soon. This is Senate Bill S50 pothead moment. This is Senate Bill S854A. Basically, it passed 40 votes in favor, 23 against, and 100 votes in favor and 48 against late Tuesday night. So the other thing the bill does, which is great, is it expunges marijuana convictions for laws that would be legal under this new law. Blanket expungement is the best thing any place can do. In Pennsylvania, we have a expungement process. I think they do like 6 people a month, and they're jumping up and down. It's really a waste of time. But anyways, the people are getting expunged. It really is a waste of a lot of time. The good thing about this is, for New York, it's a $2.5 billion market. And this also is going to create licenses for producers and distributors. It's going to allow authorized sellers and people to possess up to 3 ounces and 24 grams of concentrate up to 18 months after a sale begins. So it seems like they're not going to allow for bulk purchases at this time. It's basically for personal use. The financial impact for New York is pretty good. This is going to create about 30,000 to 60,000 jobs, and they're estimating around $350 million in tax revenue annually. They're planning on putting a 13% tax, which is probably more fair. I don't know if it's justified, but Pennsylvania wanted 30 or 35%. And the tax revenue will be split with different funds. 40% will go to education, 40% will go into community grants, and then 20% would go into public education fund. So cities and towns, they actually can have another tax if they want to, like an impact tax, to try to help with stuff that they're working on also. But this is a great step for New York. Jersey is in, New York is in, Pennsylvania's next. It's Pete with allorganicmedicalmarijuana.com and the All Organic Medical Marijuana YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts and have a great day.